Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best replacement part for your Shark NV501 vacuum, the Leadaybetter Filter Replacement Kit. If you own a Shark Rotator Pro Lift-Away NV500 series vacuum, this is an essential upgrade to keep your machine running efficiently and your home clean. Inside the package, you'll find 2 HEPA filters and 4 foam and felt filters, along with a handy cleaning brush. This combination ensures that your vacuum can maintain strong suction power while capturing fine dust particles and allergens, which is crucial if you want to maintain a healthy indoor environment. The HEPA filters trap microscopic particles, while the foam and felt filters help capture larger debris and protect the motor. One of the standout features of this filter replacement is its high strength and environmentally friendly material. These filters are built to last and easy to install, which makes replacing your vacuum's filters a hassle-free process. The manufacturer recommends cleaning your filters every 1 to 2 months to keep your vacuum operating at peak performance. The dimensions of the filters are compact, making them a perfect fit without adding any bulk to your vacuum. At just over 3.5 inches in length and width and about 4 inches in height, they slot neatly into your Shark vacuum filter compartment. The package includes everything you need for a full filter replacement: 2 HEPA filters for fine dust filtration, 4 foam and felt filters for comprehensive cleaning, plus the cleaning tool to keep your filters maintained between replacements. This comprehensive kit ensures your vacuum stays fresh and powerful. The Leadaybetter brand focuses on vacuum and sweeper accessories, aiming to offer reliable and durable replacement parts. Their commitment to quality means you're getting a product made from carefully selected materials and manufactured to meet high standards, giving you peace of mind with every use. In summary, if you're looking to extend the life of your Shark NV501 vacuum or simply want to restore its original cleaning power, the Leadaybetter Filter Replacement Kit is an excellent choice. With easy installation, strong filtration capabilities, and environmentally conscious materials, this kit provides outstanding value. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and tips to keep your household gear in top shape.